everyone, welcome back to a brand new episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to use Google Play Store on your PC. There is no authentic way of downloading and running the Play Store on your laptop or personal computers. For this, you'll need an Android emulator, which stimulates Android devices on your computer or your laptop. Watch the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's start. In order to access Google Play Store on your laptop or your PC, you can access it via any web browser. Simply go and open your web browser and then go to play.google.com and search. You might need to sign in using your official Gmail ID with which you are logged into your smartphone as well. In my case, you can see that I'm already signed in. You'll be able to see the list of the apps that are downloaded on your smartphone. Also, you can give a command directly from the browser to the Play Store to download any app on your smartphone. Now, if you want to download and run the Play Store on your laptop or your PC, then you'll need to download an Android emulator. An Android emulator stimulates Android devices on your computer or your laptop. It is as capable as smartphones and allows us to test and run applications on API levels. In order to do so, you can go ahead and search through multiple Android emulators available in the market. Some of the most popular Android emulators are displayed on this screen over here. You can select any Android emulator that you want and download it on your device. In my case, I'm using Bluestacks Android Emulator. To download Bluestacks Android Emulator, go to your search engine and type in Download Bluestacks. From the search results, you can go and click on this link right here. Click further download link on this page. Once the file downloads, click it open. Allow the app to make changes on your device by clicking on yes. You can minimize this window right now and click on install now in order to install the application. The downloading has begun. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so wait until the application downloads on your device. Once the installation is complete, simply run the emulator and go to the Play Store option. You'll now need to log in using a Gmail ID. Click on Sign In and enter your email or your phone number associated with your Google account. Once you're done, click on Next and now enter your password for your Google account. You can double check your password by clicking on this box that says Show Password, and in case you've forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password link right below and follow the instructions to reset to a new password first, create a new password and type in the password in this box, and finally click on Next. Click on I agree. You can now search for apps and games in the search box and also install them onto your laptop to get an idea of their performance. All of the application that was available on your Android device will now be available on your PC as well. That is how you can easily use Google Play Store on your PC by installing an Android emulator, quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.